Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today I'm going to teach you how do you install a hard drive, in this case 2.5-inch ones, into your desktop. So here I have the Fractal Design Define R7 here, and I'm going with the drive cages method. So I have some screws. So what you need is a hard disk, and then a SATA port. SATA cable actually. You will need to connect this to a SATA port. And some screws to screw it onto the drive cage. So these are normally given by the case when you purchase it, and some rubber stops if you have it. This is to stop, minimize the vibration and then the noise generated when you're using the hard drive. And then you're going to need to connect a power source, in this case from the power supply here. So I have this here, empty one, for me to install my hard drive. So what I'm going to do now is to remove the drive cage. In this case here, this is quite toolless. It's pretty tight, like so. And then what I'm going to do is put my hard disk on it. So I'm going to install it this way so that I can connect my cables and then route it to my motherboard at the back of the drive cage here. So I'm gonna put down it here. So, but in any case, I think it's also safe. So what I'm going to do is to just put in the rubber grommets. So in this case I have 6. Just gonna put in all. So you can see I put in 4. I'm gonna get 2 more just to cover the entire base of the drive cage. So you can see this can also install the 2.5-inch drive, but you won't be needing the rubber grommet because it's not big enough. So let's see. Here we go. I've installed all of them. Then I'm gonna align the holes underneath the drive cage, in this case 1, 2, 3, 4 here, with these holes. Then let's see how it goes. Oh, apologies, so it goes through these holes here. But I've already installed another hole grommet here, so let's not use it. You don't have to use it. So in this case, I will have to go with the longer screwdriver, which is provided by the case as well. So this one's where you can see there's only screw on the bottom, and then it's not screwing on the top half. So just gonna put it here, and I'm gonna do the X pattern. So need to handle this drive carefully because I don't want to shake it too much. These drives are very delicate. So here, okay, and then the last one here. So I did the X pattern, and I'm going to tighten it with the X pattern also. So I have an electric screwdriver. It's easier this way. So I'm just gonna tighten it a bit in X pattern, like so. Cool. Now I'm going to slide the drive cage in here. So just gonna gently slide it in here. It's pretty tight. Alright, and then screw it down. Now I'm going to connect this SATA cable here, like so. And then also connect its power source. In this case, I'm going to use this part and then follow the orientation, so it's like so, L shape here like this. So I'm just gonna push this in. Maybe I should have connected before I push it back into the case, but you can do as you like. Now I'm just gonna tidy the cable a little bit. Now the last thing you need to do is to connect this SATA port, this SATA cable, to the motherboard. So I'm gonna route it here because I know my port is somewhere around here. Now I'm gonna move this case to show you the other side. And this Fractal design is R7 is super heavy, like so. Then you might not be able to see it. Let me get some light source, because I will be needing some light source too. And then as you can see here, this is the USB cable, so I'm just gonna push it into one of the 6 SATA cable ports on the side of this motherboard. There you go. Once you hear the click, you're good to go. So, and then what you're going to do is to just start off the PC and see if it's detected. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find this useful, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye.